I get a lot of questions about if I stack my photos. The answer is yes and no, because most of the time I don't stack my photos. I love to play with my aperture to get like the sharpness on the subject. But if I stack my photos, it's maybe only like two pictures or like five. But what I said, I almost never stack my photos. But if I do, I use the latest version of Photoshop and I will show you how I stack my photos. So we go to File, we go to Scripts, we go to Load Files into Stack, Browse, make sure that you use all your pictures that you want to stack. Then you make sure that you selected your pictures, and we can use this setting because it will align your photo together, because I shoot like handheld, and it is possible that the picture is like not straight from the other one, and this one option will correct that for me. So that's really handy to use. So make sure those are selected, and you will see that the two shots are there. See, you can slightly see that I moved a little bit, and you will see here that the sharpness is on the edge by this one and this one in the middle. And now we both select the pictures and we go to File and we go, oh, sorry, we go to Edit. We go to Auto Blend Layers, and then we press Stack Image, and we can also press those options just to make sure. And we press OK, and now he will see where the focus is and blend those shots together, and you will see he did a perfect job to blend those two shots together to a really sharp picture by just using like two shots, what I said before. I think, yeah, for me it's really nice to use this kind of technique and not like 10 pictures and then stacking. So yeah, this is like a really small tutorial. If you have any questions or something, let me know and I will try to answer them.